What's going on, guys? Night Crew back here with another video. Today we're going to be installing two 12-inch subwoofers into my truck. Alright guys, to get started, you're going to want to pop this little bezel piece off and get you a T15 bit and take these two screws out. Alright, next you're going to want to take this little plastic piece out, get you a Phillips head screwdriver and take these two screws out. And now, a word from Tool Guy.
Remember, kids, always keep up with your screws. Otherwise, you're screwed.
Tool Guy! Next thing you're going to want to do is pull this little piece out and then unscrew this bolt right here. I'll be using a 7mm socket just to get this bolt. All right, next you're going to want to pop this piece up and it just comes right out. All right, you're going to get your T15 bit and there is a screw right up in here. You can see that, and you're just going to want to unscrew it. And once you get that screw out, you can just pop this bezel right on out. All right, guys, you're going to get your 7mm and just take these 4 bolts. All right, now that your 4 bolts are out, you're just going to pop the radio right on out. All right, guys, I got the line output converter here. Zach has already done a video on the wiring and the wiring diagram and all that, but the link will be in the description below if you want to watch that. Now that we got the line output converter connected to the factory harness, we're going to run these RCA cables. So this is the way we like to run our wires when we hide them. So first, pop this right here off. Then you can literally just pull all this carpet. Will just fold, and you can hide them all under here. All right, guys, as you can see, we have our amp underneath our driver's seat. That's where we always put ours. And we ran the hot through underneath the carpet. Ran it through here. It's going through the firewall. And it comes up right here. Isn't it in there? Right back here. Get back here. You see what's in there? Right back in there. I don't know if you can see it, but we ran it up through here, and you can hide it like this. And this is a 10mm right here, 10mm, and we take this off. And we're just gonna put our hot on here, and then tighten it right back up. All right, guys, I'm about to hook up the ground. I'm gonna be using this bolt right here on the back of the driver's side seat. All right, guys, we got a late start to the last video, so it's actually the next day here. And we got all of our wires ran, and we just ran the speaker wire under this trim piece right here. And it hooks up to our speakers, which are right here under the seat. All right, guys, now that we got everything wired up, let's check and see if it works. Walking closer to the end, to the deep end. There's no brake lights in my life. Now that we know everything works, we can hook all this back up, put it all back together.